tonight I'm saving a bit of money and I'm cooking Thai rice noodles with a tin of chili con carne. Peeled tomatoes. We got Princess chili con carne here. The Thai noodles there on my little DJ thing here. That's pretty exciting. Here we have the tin of dog food, chili con carne here, guys. Lovely. Saving money, saving money. I've got some sweet corn as well with it as well, just having some sweet corn. Chuck some of this shit in. The good news is that it does smell of chili con carne, which is good. A bit more sparkling champagne. Stir that in a bit. I'm going to chuck in a couple of these peeled tomatoes just to, for the sake of it, I've got it, might as well. Actually tastes quite good. Actual chili con carne with a rice-like substance. Here we have the finished product. As you can see, not much for presentation, but yeah, it just looks like a massive cow pat, really, doesn't it? There we go. So here we have the meal here. There's the kind of ricey bit there. Pretty good, actually. It's a rice-like substance. Kind of tastes a bit like rice. Yeah. Tin chili con carne. Would I have this again? Yes. Do I recommend it? Yes. So, get a tin of chili and just get like anything. These are Thai rice noodles. Just fucking have it, mate. Do you know what I mean? Easy. And you've got a sweet corn there as well. Salted.